Bro, I have an important question to ask you. It might be beneficial for others also.
Okay.
That's why I'm going to record again. As you have visited in your whole travel in your life, you have visited around about 25 countries of the world.
Mm-hmm.
From 1.5 years, you are out from your village town and from your country,
Uh-huh.
and you are traveling. And Pakistan is 12th country
Yes.
in this travel.
Yes.
Okay. So how you can get energy to travel by land, because you haven't take any flight in this travel and without a flight you are traveling by land,
Mm-hmm.
and you have traveled 12 countries. It's a big thing for us
Yeah.
and for others also. It's a big challenge.
Yeah.
How you have survived in those days, but you have traveled from different countries to here. And other one, how you manage the energetic food, because you need energy a lot of
Mm-hmm.
to walk more and more, and your bags are very heavy to carry. As I take your bag, I was very surprised how man he is, how he's carrying that bag. And my cousins also take your bag, he was very surprised, and he asked me in a funny way. It's very heavy. So all the way the question is that uh, how you have survived in all this travel.
Mm-hmm.
Will you please explain?
Yes, I think like the most important thing is go slow. Like going slow, going to one place, stay for maybe 2 weeks or so, and not doing sightseeing all the time. Like I just experienced the culture by being maybe in a random village, and I just sit there and having a chai with the people or so.
Great.
Or like sometimes in Europe where it's also more expensive, I was doing lots of volunteering. So I would stay in one place for 2-3 weeks to work a little bit and feel a little bit at home at this place. And when I'm ready, I move on. I think that's the most important secret. And listening to what I need, like listen, my body, my feelings, they tell me what do I need, and I need to learn how to listen to it. Yes, and how to manage the food.
Yeah.
That's a funny question. Like I mean, probably eating less is a better way to having more energy. Like because we all the time we eat so much that our body is very challenged to digest all this all the time.
Oh.
So yes, it might be funny for you to hear, but I think this is a question or like an answer which might be suitable for many people in this world. For me, I just like, as I told you, I have just mostly two kind of main meals. One is like an oatmeal or so, and late, like around noon or so. Then in the daytime, some fruits or sweets or nuts. And in the evening, I have something properly cooked or so. And then I give my body time to digest. Yes.
Wow, bro, how you explained simply. It's simple to explain for you, and you have explained it simple way, but seem like very difficult for us.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's simple but not easy.
yeah, it's simple in words, but not easy in practical.
Yes.
But you are a man. You have given a lot of abilities and capabilities. You have given by God, and we can do whatever we want to do.
Yes.
So
We
and
just have to follow our hearts and dreams, then we can manage.
wow. तो भाई का कहना है भाई अगर आपके ख्वाब हैं उनको फॉलो करते हैं you can get it. That a good one. Actually, that is answer what I want to ask you. Yeah, you have given in 2 words.
Yes.
If you have dream, you can achieve it, and that's all. I think that was the answer I was asking for. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.